Microsoft just dropped another big AI update, and no, it's not Copilot this time. This tiny new model called Farah-7B might actually be even more dangerous, because it's small, fast, and insanely powerful. Farah is a lightweight 7 billion parameter model built for speed, efficiency, and real-world usage across everyday apps and devices. And here's the interesting part. Farah performs close to models 3 to 5 times larger, but runs locally, costs less, and responds faster. It can write clean, reliable code across multiple languages, making it ideal for fast prototyping and developer tools. Farah can break down long documents into clear, concise summaries instantly. It understands and translates multiple languages with impressive accuracy for a model this small. It doesn't stop at text. Farah can analyze images, understand context, and generate clear descriptions. And even for logic tasks, puzzles, and structured reasoning, Farah performs far above typical small models. It can also generate surprisingly creative and coherent content, from stories to ideas and concept visuals. So maybe the future of AI isn't just bigger models, it's smarter, smaller ones like Farah-7B that can run anywhere. For more simple AI breakdowns like this, don't forget to subscribe. You're watching AI Simplified Lab.